Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you can change the page or document color background in CorelDRAW. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to your document. I will go with this blank untitled document here and click into layout, choose page background, switch from no background to solid, clicking that color icon, choose your color palette like RGB, CMYK or any of the others that are available here. Then choose your color. You may also choose a color picker here or go through that option and find your color, or customize each of these color types here, and so on and so forth. And you will see the color here. Click into OK, and that is going to give your document page this colored background. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.